Where are my wonderful people? Carry your chair, sit down, let's do this unboxing together. This unboxing is not what only I can do alone. I want you to join me to do this unboxing because I made order from all the way from Nigeria to Malaysia for this package, and it arrived very sharply, nice and undamaged. So I want you to sit down and unbox with me as I'm preparing for my son's child dedication. Though this video is not a new video, but never mind, just sit down and you enjoy this unboxing. I want you to see all what we ordered from Nigeria to where we are based. So my baby girl have start rocking now, but just sit down, let's do this unboxing together. Oh yes, this men looking at this Ghana must go, you will know that this Ghana must go is all the way from Lagos, Nigeria, down to Malaysia. So yes, as we have I've set my camera to start doing the unboxing, and my little madam will not allow me to do what I want to do. You can see when I tap her leg, so she wants to do everything with me, but I don't want that distraction because this is what I ordered for, and I can't wait to unbox it and see what is inside this because I don't want to start mentioning the money involved, but all the way a very big thanks to my darling big sis Lucy for this package she sent for me in respect for my child dedication. So because of my child baby dedication, I decided to I made some African attire all the way from Lagos. They don't Some of the attire I've already sold them prior to the D-Day of this delivery. So I made this attire, but this girl, will you give me space? I've tried to hold you back, you don't want. So I made some order of hair accessory for her, and I also, as you can see, I'm just looking what is inside this bag. I'm trying to figure out because some of the things I ordered for I can't even remember, and she also put a lot of things that I didn't even order. You know, in Africa, when you order something, they want to pack all the home item for you. So this is what my son's wears and the father's wear that they will be wearing for the child dedication, which I already saw from all the way from Lagos. And this is some food items like your spices for cooking. Yes, this is my spices. I also added some spices for cooking inside. Okay, this is my own material. I'm just trying to see it. Yes, this is exactly what I ordered for. Then I'm looking for some. This one look like I think this is my okporoko or bitter leaf. Yes, that is it. I also have my own leather here. Is this plastic bag I'm trying to open is my African attire. Yes, my George, and some clothes I also added. Yes, quick one, my elder sister wedded during this period and I missed the wedding, so I decided that she should sew my own ashebi because she's my direct elder sister, and I'm sure I'm supposed to be there, and in fact I'm supposed to be her best chief bridesmaid, but no, I have to I don't want to miss it, so I decided that she should send over my ashebi attire. So that is the material I'm holding, is the ashebi from my elder sister's wedding, and she did a perfect job because she sent me the material that I should make choice of my style, which I did also. Then I also I'm trying to see my own clothes I will be putting on for my son's child dedication. So this one I'm unraveling here is my gele, gele, because mama need to look, mama need to look very very presentable, easy. So I decide to check my gele. Yes, this is a big gele. This gele, let me not call the price, but I will still drop the picture and the videos of all these things when I dress up on it. Then you will rate it. Then I'm also bringing out here, this is my George, the clothes I use for my son's dedication. Here it is. I saw also the, I think the tailor made a good job, but it's very heavy. That is what I just said when I brought it out. I was talking to my husband that, oh my, this thing heavy, oh, now this thing I will carry for body. Who said me go choose this kind style? But it's very nice. The tailor did a good job. Yes, in as much that things is kind of expensive in sewing, but she did a good job. She really did a good job. So I choose this green material, and the material is kind of expensive also, but it's okay, it's worth it. Yes. So I'm still looking at my dress. I'm admiring. I'm kind of picturing, will this be nice? How would it be on me? What really? Because I didn't. I just sent my measurements by guess. In fact, my hubby measured me with with a tape that we sent to the tailor by ourselves. So this is the kind of the two wrapper I'll be using for the blouse I showed. Then this one is for my baby girl Annabelle. Oh yeah, Annabelle, you need to come and check out on this your clothes. I was just admire, but oh, this one looks small. Won't it be small on her? Say she want to rush it. Okay, let's try it on you sharply, sharply. No dull moment. So I told her this is small. This is kind of small, but in as much as they put allowance inside, but the tailor didn't do the perfect job I expect from here. But it's okay. She still try because Annabelle already try her new dress. Yes, we are ready. Oh, we are ready for Ace Ghost child dedication. So this is what Annabelle wore for her little brother's dedication. You can see how excited, how happy, how joyous she is. In fact, she's over happy because she have a new dress homemade from Africa, from Nigeria. So she's just happy that she have a new Cinderella. She want to dress. In fact, she refused to remove this dress from her body. No, she said nobody should undress her, so I have to let her sleep before I can remove the dress from her. You can see, look, at she just admiring herself. You need to see the excitement of my baby girl. She was so excited, she was so happy that she's wearing a new dress. Please guys, I think if you have watched to this extent, I believe you are enjoying our vlog. If you've not shared our post, like, comment for more videos. We are the Ugonas family. We derive joy in creating content. Natural, we don't real family content. That is what we do here. So please do wait to follow this page, like, comment, and share for more videos while we unbox more.